So we're on a trip, and normally don't start off like this, but mistakes were made. Mistake number one, I let Tyler ride with me. That's a big mistake. No one should ever let him ride with you. I mean, just look at him. And mistake number two, he talked me into having tube doors. It rained, so now we're soaking wet.
Tornado warning.
Yeah, tornado warning. Mistake number three, this guy came, he thought it was gonna be okay. That's a good shirt, you're looking good. Mistake number four, Aaron thought he could tighten his steering up, his worm gear in his steering box that he just installed. And well, he blew out his own radiator. So I was driving, Brody was with me, Larry was following, and yeah, we had to drive an extra, like, what, 45 miles to come save Aaron, but we got him a rad, so.
A detour.
Yes, yeah, slight detour.
Only slight.
Yeah. But mistakes were made, and I blame this guy right here. Because Bam Bam was just too scared for this trip.
Oh, it's Bam Bam's fault. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr.
Here we go. Here it is.
Engine.
Here at DAO, we're trip planning, so we're doing an oil change. I think we messed up.
Definitely messed up. You should have seen what was in the oil.
What'd we learn, boys? If you're gonna break down, you break down underneath the street lamp.
They had hot coffee. Wow.
On a clear sky night with the blood moon high while the wind has gone away, I sat down close with who I love the most. Listen what she's got to say.
New series. This is all unknown trails to us, meaning we don't have any information on them whatsoever. They're open land. If you can find them, you can drive them. Unfortunately, we're not going to tell you where they're at. We will tell you that we're in my hometown in Pennsylvania. So you can go back in the videos and find out where I'm from. Good luck. Give that one a like too. Same with this one. Obviously, we got the captain, Aaron, here. We got Tyler. Where's Bam Bam?
Well, oil changes and stuff. Mistakes were made.
Anyways, mistake on my part, I'm letting him ride with me. And we have Larry, our second biggest mistake, because he's got a 9er ZJ.
I don't think it was a mistake. I think it was sexy.
Anyways, mistakes will be made even more. We have one heck of a little obstacle course to check out. And I think everyone may just pick a different line and hope for the best. Who will pull line first? Leave a comment.
Be honest, dear, these things I hear that they leave your heart astray. All's gone well.
A little
Been through hell.
I saw.
Damn day. Yeah. I've seen this face once before, but I know it don't end up swell. The love you had washed from your lips and your hands have gone cold and pale. A poor boy's heart embrace
might have scratched something. Just a little bit. You think it'll buff out?
I think you took the wrong turn to the mall. I think we messed up. Or
this way? Or is it that way?
man.
That way, the creek?
Hi, how did you?
I like for Larry to pop up though too, so turn the fans on.
Any things you want to say?
If I don't make this, Dom.
Need a spot for you?
Yeah, Dom, you can keep the kids and just leave me and Hector.
Oh.
See this play out any way you want to, but it's still the hottest ember, and it burns when I think of you. Walked side by side, hand in hand, with everything I thought was true. I'm pouring out this broken heart for what it might be worth to you. Memories, all they haunt me, and my nightmare lives in you. I found peace when all this world told me you never loved you. So I put this fire out for you. Take the water from the river, let it run on through.
Yeah, that was a little bit more off camber than I thought it was going to be.
Well, it's all because of this lump right here. It starts to dip real fast.
Yeah.
And right before this was, your
Oh,
tire
I was right on the edge.
Yeah.
Wow.
I wanted you to get more passenger to try to straighten out the back, but you wouldn't climb that wall.
No, that's all clay.
And so, yeah, you have nice little tire patterns inside of it. Oops, and I'm going in. I'm switching to boots here.
It might not dip as
I
much.
feel like the ground over here is a little bit drier than that. And that's a hell of a wall compared to this side.
I agree.
That's why I picked to keep me in this versus that. But now that I went over it, it's going to be a little bit more slick.
So, judging by how easily this side over here was pushed away, I feel like if you try to ride this side,
It's going to crumble.
yeah, it's gonna crack.
Was it possible to line up both tires in this? It
would've
may
been-
be now.
It would have been close.
Do you want to try that?
Let's try that.
Worst case, you're going to hang up on this.
Yeah. Which I can drag the dip.
And it's just mud, it's not rock. There you go. All right, a little bit passenger.
Where you want to, but it's still the hottest ember, and it burns when I think of
We should reset.
Yep, reset. This thing will sound nasty.
That was too good.